Wait for me. No, you wear it. You wear it, protect your head.
How does it protect it?
Yes. Wow, it's snowing. So it's 2025, 2030, 25 years. 2075, 50 years. Sophia, you feel the snow still falling? Right? Yeah, I still feel like something dropped on my head. Right.
Hello, are you here to play?
No, they're not to go to play like you guys. Okay, go to the playground.
I would still love to go back to
I think we're the only one coming for playing, Sophia. See. Wow, this is a history. Hey, happy snow day. Oh my God! See, this is the dangerous, more dangerous part of here.
Tomorrow's gonna be a full ice skating day.
So you walk there is dangerous. Walk in the snow is better.
Guys, look, I can still do gymnastics. But I can't really move right now.
Solene, we go to the playground.
Let's go.
You want to play swing? Come here, Solene. There's more snow over there.
Yeah.
Solene, be careful. Walk inside the snow. Do not walk on the concrete. Solene! Faster, Solene! Can you do? Can you do it? You can do it. Try it. Can you do it?
No.
Why?
Do it. You want to see how hard it is?
Because you have glow.
I got an idea.
I think we should hide from Solene. Oh, I see a gigantic snowman, right? Is that the snowman that people make it?
I got it. I'm gonna put snow all the way up here.
Be careful. Remember last time the sea pool.
Look, snow. Pieces.
Solene, come.
Dad, you want to see me slide through this? Well, there's barely no snow, but whatever. Ah! Dad, I'm scared. What happened? You know what? Why not relax a bit, right, Dad? Dad, are you still recording?
Yes.
Why not relax a bit?
Solene.
I cannot find my
The you should include your eggs at Katie's and your eggs at Sugarland will remain closed on Wednesday, January 22nd due to continued hazardous winter weather conditions. Hey, Solene, come here. There's more snow here, Solene. Solene.
Dad, I do feel snow a bit. Do you?
Yeah. It keeps falling tonight. Tomorrow we have more snow.
Tomorrow will be more snow?
Yeah.
The snow's gonna be finally smooth, not like...
No, it's more thicker.
Because right now the snow is starting to like mount the top layer and then it's making the other snow hard.
Yeah. Hello, Solene. Hey, you want me to keep your bunny? Or you keep on that chair? On the table?
I don't know the words. This and then ring-a-ling-a-ling.
Yes.
It's like round.
What you say, Solene?
Facial feels.
What?
Kids know how facial feels.
Yes.
Like of the coldness.
Are you cold or not?
A little bit.
You want my jacket?
No, I'm okay.
Wow, you're so cool looking like that. Dancing, sing, dun, 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 dun.
Dad, do you think it'll be safe if I fall?
Okay, I turn off the video, okay? Want to say something, Sophia? Want to say something, Solene? How you feel about this snow? Great. You like it? I think you guys can live in upstate New York somewhere.
That always snow.
That always snow.
Because we're not that cold.
Yeah, you can handle the cold very good.
Because I eat healthy food. My friend go outside 50 degree wearing like this thick jacket like this. But you know what? When she do that sometime, she asked me how did I do it. short sleeved outside.
Wow.
But in the beginning, I had to wear a.
So before you come here, I give you a bowl of soup. You finish, right?
Yes.
After you finish, you feel warm?
A little bit. Yeah.
Yeah. Because I need to give you more soup because you need.
My bone like straightened.
Yeah. You know what that soup is?
Bone soup
Yes.
with peanut.
Yeah. With papaya.
Yeah, I know.
Specially made for you, you know. We have a little more for you to when you go back home.
Wait, we have more soup?
A little bit only.
I thought you said the rest was for Solene.
No, because Selena hasn't running.
Oh, you do also because I run.
Yes.
I'm still strong. I can still do.
Selena, come here. Selena, that place is dirty. Selena, come here. You don't want guy you to poop over there.
Look, I can still do flip even though it's the snow. Look, everyone.
Wow, that's good.
I didn't really do it good.
Selena, do you want to do flip?
Because sometimes my hand is stuck to the snow, to my glove, and look.
Wow, that's cool. I turn on the record. Selena, you drop something, Selena? Selena, I say play here, Selena. Do not play over there. That place is dirty. Someone you to play over here.
Nice luck. I'm little Steven.
Oh, you play this right on there.
Oh, I remember I grabbed the water because I thought it was going to do something. I don't know. I was like, I fed it water. It's just snow in the handle.
Selena, you want me to help you to climb up?
This is the time when Sophia should try and do monkey bars, right? Dad, do you think I should try and tap the monkey bars?
Yeah.
Guys, look. Yeah, I'm gonna try. I put snow in here.
Okay, I turn on the video. Is that okay?
No. I used to go crazy on this at day. But I thought it was a roller coaster and it still is. Smooth snow.
I think Levy Park maybe still have a lot of kids there maybe.
What do you think?
Levy Park.
Maybe a vet?
Levy Park.
Yeah, I know.
Okay, turn on the camera.
Yeah, I'm gonna try to tap the monkey